What's up guys, I'm Kinzey Rae and today I'll be showing you how I achieved this braidless crochet half up half down look. It is so cute. It actually turned out cuter than what I thought. And I absolutely love this crochet hair because it kind of mimics like a twist out on natural hair. Yeah, it just looks so cute. So if you guys would like to see how I achieved this look, please just keep on watching.
Open your heart up, hoping I'll never find out that you're anyone else. 'Cause I love you, just how you are. Hope you never find out who I really am. 'Cause you'll never love me, you never love me, you'll never love me.
Alright, so I'm starting this style off with my hair already separated. I just separated the front from the back, and now I'm just detangling it with my wide tooth comb. Now I'm just taking my curls moisturizer and I'm going to be applying this to the front of my head, and this is just to help moisturize my hair. And I'm also taking my Eco Styling Gel and just slicking it down. And just to make everything look really snatched, I like to use my toothbrush and just get those hairs combed up really nicely. And now I'm taking my ponytail and wrapping it around and putting it in a little bun. And I'm just securing it with the rubber band. And now we're moving on to the back section. And for the back, I just did the same steps. And the hair that I'll be using is the same hair that I used in my last video. If you haven't seen that one, it's by Expressions and it's called like Q Nova or something. And it was $5.99 a pack. And now I'm just showing you guys how I crochet. Basically, I just stick the needle through the hair and then I put the hair onto the needle, close the clamp, pull the hair through, open the clamp again, and then I split the hair and open it, and it already comes like kind of separated so where you can just stick your fingers through that. And then you're going to take the other side and just pull it through and tighten it. And this is just me repeating those same steps. You're just going to put the crochet needle through your hair, and then you're going to put the hair onto the clip, open the clip, open up the hair, and then just pull it through and tighten it. And I'll have a link to this hair in my bio. Like I said, I bought it at the hair store for $5.99, but I'm pretty sure it's a lot cheaper online. So I will have a link to this hair below. Alright, so now we're going to get into covering up the ponytail in the back, and pretty much all you're going to do is just crochet around it. And I'm just repeating the same steps that I did before. And don't worry, the crochet hair definitely does cover up the bun. Like, you won't even be able to see it after you're done. So yeah, the next couple clips I'm just going to be repeating the same steps. Alright, so now I'm all done in the back, and as you can see, the ponytail is definitely hiding behind the crochet hair. You cannot see it whatsoever. So now we're going to move on to the front. And the front is pretty much the same process. I'm going to be taking the crochet hair and just putting it around the bun, and I'm also going to be crocheting a few into the bun. And this is just to get a little more height, just so they all won't be, falling flat. Some of them be kind of, poking out. Some of them will be coming out of the bun, so it'll just give you a little more definition, if that's the right word. Alright, so this is how they came out after I crocheted each little piece in, and this is the next morning. I just put a bonnet on and just slept on it, and now I'm just going to shape it and get it how I want it. So now I'm just taking some scissors and kind of cutting the pieces in the front because they were kind of long for a bang, so I'm just kind of clipping those a little bit. And also I'll be clipping any hairs they got a little frizzy while I was sleeping. And now this is the fun part. This is where the curls really come to life. So I'm just separating it, and like I said in the beginning, this hair kind of reminds me of like a twist out. I just think that it looks so natural and it's so cute. So yeah, I'm just pulling the hair apart, and you don't want to pull it apart too much because it'll start getting frizzy. and then you won't be able to wear this style for very long. So yeah, since this is the first day, I'm not really going to, you know, stretch them out too much. And when you get to your front section, you want to be extra careful because this is the part that, you know, people are really going to see. So just make sure that when you're separating it, you try to be very careful, especially with the ends. Now that I'm done separating them, I'm just going to be taking my wide tooth comb and I'm just going to be teasing the hair a little bit just to give me a little extra volume and some more body. And I'm also going to be taking my fingers and just kind of, you know, working my fingers through the hair because I really like big hair. So just trying to get it exactly how I like it. And if you've been subscribed, you know I love these gold clips. So I just decided to add a few to a few pieces of hair just to kind of make the hair pop a little bit. Now I'm just using my Eco Styling Gel and a toothbrush to just lay my edges. And I kind of wanted to go for more of like a pinned up style. So I took 2 bobby pins and I just pinned up each side. And these are the results. I think this style came out so cute, and this is my first time doing like a crochet style like this besides the puff that I did previously, and it's so easy to do. Like, I was kind of worried at first because I don't really know how to braid, but you don't even need to know how to braid, girl. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, please don't forget to subscribe. I have many more videos coming to you soon. I am back and I am better. So yeah, if you aren't subscribed, please don't forget to do so, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.